Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you beautiful seashell craft ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Seashell photo frame. Today I decorate a photo frame using seashells. First I take a simple frame, then I stick shells around the edges with glue. You can use small and big shells together. It's look beautiful and beach style. Seashell candle holder and reverse. So friends, I take a small ball or big shells, then I place the candles inside. You can decorate with sand and small shells. It gave a soft and relaxing look. Seashell photo art and friends, and viewers, so my next video is viewers, friends, I arrange shell in flower shapes on cardboard. So friends, then I glue them carefully. You can paint them in bright color. I look very unique and pretty. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, friends, for more latest updates. So friends, next video, so Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks.